The main materials for fibre clay pots is magnesium oxide, snowstone, fiberglass, and other composite materials. In different season, the formula will change according to the weather. So the technician's experience is very important to control the percentage for all materials. When the material is fully mixed, the technician will assure the right time to distribute the materials to workers and make sure the materials could be run out before drying. At the same time, moulding workers have started to spraying oil on moulds. Oil is very important for pot surface and also make peeling the pot out of the moulds easier. When the moulds are ready, the workers will start pasting material for mould cover first. The pot cover is the mould for the pot top edges. Workers will put fiberglass sheets on the four edges to make the edges stronger. Then it's the first time to paste materials for planter body. Then it's time to put the fiberglass sheets on the two long sides. These hard fiberglass sheets are the key for the pot's strength. Now, it's the second time to paste dilute materials. This will be very important for the next step to attach the soft fiberglass sheets. This time, the workers will attach the soft fiberglass sheets for all sides. These soft fiberglass sheets will make the pot more stronger to take the force from insides and outsides. Again, the dilute materials will be sprinkled again to solid the soft fiberglass sheets, assuring no gap and bubbles between the sheets and materials. Now the worker is adding the fibre clay T-bar on the two long sides. As this trough planter is 1 metre long, the T-bar in the middle will help the middle part to be stronger. When the soil and plants in, the pot will not be twisted in the middle. The fiberglass sheets will be attached on the T-bar to assure the T-bar is fixed very well and more stronger. Then the worker will put the mould cover on and remove the needless materials. Now the worker will brush all sides to make sure the inside of pot will be smooth enough. And remove the extra materials on the edges to refine the shape. Till now, the rough planter body are finished. After 6 to 8 hours drying, it's the time to remove the mould and take the ready planter out. In wintertime, the drying time will be longer. At the same time, workers will clean the mold and prepare for the next production. Then it's grinding time for the surface, to make sure the pot is smooth enough for the later making up and painting. In the next video, we will show the making up, painting, packing procedures. Please follow us if you are interested in pots production. Thank you. See you next time.